Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find all free theme on Shopify. So you need to go Shopify, so you can say login Shopify partner account. So what you need to do, you need to click here online store and it's a theme, then scroll down little bit, then here you'll get the option add theme. Simply click add theme and visit theme store. So once you click visit theme store, so it takes few moment to loading. So now it's the you will get all the theme here, but not every theme is free here. Then you need to click here all theme. Once you click all theme, then you'll get here free and paid. So just check the free mark, and here you can see 13 theme are free here, so you can use any of them. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.